Hi everyone, in today's guide, we'll show you how to easily check the validity of your UAE visa using the ICP Smart Services platform. Whether you're a resident or just visiting, staying updated on your visa status is crucial. We'll walk you through the steps, ensuring you're always informed and compliant with the UAE's regulations. Now let's get started. To start off, go onto Google or whatever search engine you regularly use and type ICP Smart Services. Then click on the ICP Smart Services website, or to be specific, smartservices.icp.gov.ae. Once you're on the website, make sure to click on File Validity at the top. Now you should see a form on your screen where you can first off check or uncheck the box at the top, confirming whether you have a passport from any GCC countries. If you do not, of course, leave it unchecked and move on to the next step. Then click on the passport information option, and after that, you can click on the visa option below it. You will then enter your passport number, expiry date, and your nationality before finally clicking on the CAPTCHA security, I'm not a robot, and clicking on search. You should now be seeing your file issuance date and expiry date, along with your file number and Emirate Unified Number. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check your UAE visa validity through the ICP Smart Services platform. Keeping track of your visa details is quick and easy with these simple steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more guides.